Capital One versus Discover saving account. Which saving account is superior? Choosing between Capital One and Discover saving account depends on your specific preferences and financial need. That's why I have made a comparison to help you to decide which one is best for you. Now, first of all, we will talk about Capital One 360 performing saving. It's a competitive annual percentage yield with no minimum balance requirement, right? On the other side, Discover is the same. It has also no minimum balance requirement. Capital One has no monthly fees. Same way, Discover also has no monthly fees. Capital One easy online account management and mobile app access. It gives you automatic saving plan option, customer support available by phone, online, website, chat, everything. But Capital One has a limited branch access, primarily only online. So if you want to visit their, physical site, then you won't be able to do it. On the other side, Discover also provide you easy online account management and mobile apps, right? Both of them are very good in the service. But Discover provide you 24 into 7 hours customer support by phone, right? And Discover also give you cashback rewards on debit card purchase. Yeah, this is very important highlight. As well as you can see on the Capital One doesn't provide you any, anything or cashback on your debit or credit purchase. Only Discover provide you. Capital doesn't, right? Discover also have very limited branch access, which is only primarily online one, right? So both Capital One and Discover offer similar features including competitive API, APY, no monthly fees, convenient online account management. However, Discover provide you 24 into 7-hour customer support by phone and offer cashback reward on the debit card purchase, which may be appealing to some customers depending upon their specific needs. I hope now you are into your conclusion that which one is best for you. I hope you found this video very useful.